you are looking for the best idea how to make a doll dress. In this video I would like to show you 3 ideas how to make a Barbie dress for beginners and for intermediates. I show you now some ideas. I'm Busy Bee from Germany. This is my channel and welcome. So this is going to be a short video, but I would like to quote Hubert de Givenchy today. Fabric is the most extraordinary thing. It has life. You must respect the fabric. My dear viewers, my number 3, the third way how to make a doll dress, how to make a Barbie dress for beginners, is, in my opinion, the easiest of the 3 ways I have gone so far. And it's simply you buy a pattern and it's already done for you, and you simply have to follow the steps and sew along the instructions, and then you get a Barbie dress. So this here is for Francie, but nevertheless I think you understand what I want to say. This here is from Timecodes. They are easy, they are well explained, and you can follow them. You get a lot of instructions what to do, and in the end you get a real dress. So my number 2 is the second way I did this during the last years. So what you can do is, of course, taking real patterns, real dresses apart to get the pattern, and then you can make a sewing pattern from it. And that's also a way how you can get a way how to make a doll dress, how to make a Barbie dress. Yeah, you simply, this here the dress was very cheap, and I thought, what could I do with it? Because the holder here is a bit damaged, and I thought for a long time what to do with it, because it also became wet over the years, and you see it's the blue on the dress is a little bit faded. Someone tried to wash it and then it became a little bit blurry, so nothing for the mint collector, but anyway, still good to make a dress pattern from it. And here it is. You can simply put it on your fabric and then you can copy it and then you get a dress pattern. That's the second way I would suggest when you already have a little bit of experience how to sew a Barbie dress, a doll dress together. That's my second way of how to make a Barbie dress. So, and when you have enough experience and you have sewed prepared patterns and taken patterns apart and you know about the proportions of the doll, then you can also do your own patterns by measuring them, by doing these little prototypes, and then you can make from the prototypes the real kind of clothing that fits the doll. And you can do everything you want if you know how to deal with these measurements. So it's no problem anymore, you can do your own stuff. But I think that's rather for advanced intermediates or advanced sewers. So I hope you like my little video. This was a short video. I didn't want to do any sewing. We can do that in another video. That's not so important today. But I wanted to show you some ideas how to make a Barbie doll dress. I'm Busy Bee from Germany and I hope you like my little channel. Question of the day is, how is your perfect looking Barbie dress looking for you? Let me know in the comments below. also did some sewing videos in the last years, which I'm going to link above. So, thanks for watching. I hope you like my little video. Share, like and subscribe to your collector friends. See you in the next week. Your Busy Bee from Germany.